Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into a full walkthrough of how to use the Edge Bitcoin wallet in 2025. First things first, launch the Edge app on your phone, tap Get Started to begin. You'll be prompted to set a 4-digit passcode. This will help you log into your account quickly and securely. Once that's done, tap Next and complete the human verification step powered by Ala. Now choose a wallet to add from the list provided. You can also enable notifications to enhance your account security. After selecting your wallet, tap Next again and assign your account a universal Web3 handle. To send crypto, tap the Send button on the homepage. From the pop-up menu, select another wallet as the recipient. Next, choose the wallet you want to send from, such as BTC. Read through the terms, then type Confirm to accept and proceed. Finally, enter the amount you want to send or buy. Just make sure you have enough balance in your wallet before you continue. And that's it. You're now ready to manage Bitcoin using the Edge wallet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, as always.